नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? In between of these writing lessons, I have brought up a lesson of clarification of the doubts that some students had. And the doubts were when to use Mera, Mere and Meri, when to use KAISA, KAISE, KAISI, similarly ACHHA, ACHHE and ACHHI, ऐसी की तैसी. ठीक है, तो I'm going to tell you a set of rules when to use each of these. All the adjectives and possessive pronouns that end with the a sound, ठीक है, like Mera, KAISA and ACHHA. All the adjectives and possessive pronouns that end with the a sound are used for masculine, singular, informal. And which ones are masculine, singular, informal? The first one is मैं, that is I. Okay, so in case of मैं, I don't need to talk with more respect. Okay, so we use मेरा कैसा अच्छा, मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ, I am a good boy. ठीक है. The second case is तू, which is you, informal. ठीक है. तू अच्छा लड़का है, तू अच्छा लड़का है, you are a good boy. I want to ask him, तू कैसा है, how are you? Okay, or I can say तू मेरा दोस्त है, you are my friend, तू मेरा दोस्त है. Why? Because this is informal. Now the third situation is any third person. Okay, anyone with whom you can talk informally. ये मेरा भाई है, he is my brother. ये अच्छा लड़का है, he is a good boy. ठीक है. Okay. Now comes the next case. मेरे, कैसे and अच्छे. Now the second case says all the adjectives and possessive pronouns ending with an a sound are for plural or formal cases. Obviously masculine. मेरे, कैसे and अच्छे for plural or for formal, like आप, तुम, or if you are talking about some respectable person. ठीक है. Now the third case is for females. Now the final one is the easiest. All the adjectives and possessive pronouns or possessive determiners ending with an e sound, a longer e sound, are for all feminine cases. So Meri, कैसी, अच्छी, it can be anything. Any formal case will carry an adjective or possessive pronoun ending with an e sound. I'll give you some more examples. ठीक है. Here you can see a few examples, and below I have written the words in Devanagari just as a practice of the alphabets that we have learned till now. So we have 3 examples each of male and female. All the 6 examples trying to ask, how are you? As we already know, tu is the least formal, tum is mid formal, and aap is the most formal. Now, in the case of male, we have used kaisa for the informal case and kaise for the formal cases. ठीक है. While in the female, we have used KAISI in every case. Okay, all these are singular. Okay, how are you, how are you, how are you. ठीक है. Asking my younger brother, तू कैसा है? Asking my friend of an equal age, तुम कैसे हो? Asking someone in my office, आप कैसे हैं? Okay, so while in the case of feminine, you talk to mother, you talk to sister, you talk to anyone, you will use KAISI. Now, let me give you some examples with Mera, Mere and Meri. The left one again for masculine cases, the right one for female cases. The first one says, "Tu mera dost hai." Okay, I am talking to my school friend, maybe my college friend. Okay. Mera with tu, it's the least formal, or you can say the most intimate. Tum mere dost ho. Now, mere again, we use the plural word. We are using the plural word in the case of formal. Okay. Now, the third case is aap mere dost hain. And here you say in the case of female, everywhere we have used Meri. So, is it clear once again? In the case of masculine, in the case of singular informal, we use a. In the case of plural or formals, we use a. And in every case of female, we use words ending with e. Remember, this is a very important rule, and this is going to help you till the end of Hindi. ठीक है? Now here I am showing you a difference between singular and plural. Here we have masculine cases and feminine cases. The first one says, "Yeh mera dost hai." So this is, he is my friend, masculine, singular. So we have used mera. Ye mere dost hain, hain with a nasal sound. Ye mere dost hain. These are my friends. Plural cases. So we have used mere ending with a. In the case of feminine, in both singular and plural, we have used Meri. ठीक है? She is my friend. यह मेरी दोस्त है. These are my friends. ये मेरी दोस्त हैं. So, we have seen that in every case of female, we have used the words ending with e. In the case of males, which are singular and informal, we have used a. And in the case of masculine plurals and masculine formals, we have used the words ending with a. I think this is quite clear now. Now I am going to give you some exercises, a set of questions whose answers you can post on the comments below, and I will check if they are right or not. ठीक है? Here is your first set of questions in which you have to fill with Mera, Mere or Meri. ठीक है? You can take a screenshot or you can pause the video. Now I am going to give you the next set of questions. Now here is your second question. Now since the case of female is very easy, I have asked the question with only male. Now here you have to fill the two blanks with either अच्छा लड़का or अच्छे लड़के. Okay, remember that अच्छे लड़के would be used for plurals and formals. Apart from that, we will use अच्छा लड़का for singular informal. So this is for your practice and to strengthen your basics. Remember again, these things you will be using in the whole Hindi. Okay, ठीक है? I'll be back soon with the next writing lesson in continuation with the previous lesson. Till then, namaste, फिर मिलेंगे. Bye bye.